So we just arrived at this little like restaurant. We've been driving for about 2 hours, and we're going to where we're going, and we're about to eat. We're about to grub a little bit. I'm hungry, always. Andrew, let's do this. So it's the start of day 2. Today's church day, so you gotta dress up a little bit. This is where we're staying in daylight. This is where the girls are staying. That's where we're staying, up there on the 2nd floor, and we eat dinner and stuff down there. This is what it is. All this. How's it going, Meredith?
Good.
Awesome. There's horses right there. So we walked into downtown. There's not much going on. A few like convenience stores-ish kind of things. There's a soccer game going on right there. I've got like these chocolate crackers. There's like a bread store, convenience store kind of thing downtown, just down that street. And there's another group from Atlanta. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, the beginning of day 3. So today we're going to be going to our work sites. David and all of them were kind of deciding where we're going to go and who's going to go where right now. Last night it poured really bad. It was pretty cool. I wish I would have got a video of it. It was like really coming down, yeah. But yeah, it's been good. We had rice and beans for breakfast this morning, and we had to do our whole daily devotion, stuff like that. That was all good. And now we're just waiting. It's 8 o'clock, so we should start working soon. Hello. It's Stefan. Bet you didn't know that because of my mask. Right now we're preparing some arts and crafts for the kids club. And I have a name tag. Stefan. It's my name. And wait. Oh, I can't flip it around. But there's Reese and her mask. Show your masks off.
It's gonna be an elephant. It's not yet.
That's a rainbow. Pride mask. What's that?
Happy inside.
Nice. He's making a clown. Tim is making a clown. Woo! Hola! Alright, so Jackson right here is giving haircuts, and I got convinced to get my haircut because I'm in Costa Rica, and how many more times am I going to be able to get my haircut in Costa Rica? I'm sorry. So, I just got my haircut. All of it's cut off. Most of it, actually. Boom, there it is. All of it off. Ain't got no hair no more. It was pretty crazy. I paid him $10 just like courtesy, you know. Oh yeah. Alright, this is the beginning of day. What day is it? 4 or 3? I don't know. I got my hair cut yesterday. The water's turned off, so I couldn't take a shower this morning. That's okay. Yeah. Today we're going back to our work site. It's a lot sunnier today. Clear skies. Day 5? Yeah, whatever. Day 5.
Friday.
Yeah. We've been in here for this is our 4th day. I don't know. Whatever. 3rd day. Starting to grow it out a little bit. We have pineapple bread and eggs and ham this morning. That's pretty good. It's a solid breakfast. That's probably the best thing we got so far. It's the first time we haven't had beans and rice. So yeah, here we go. Day whatever. So we're finally done moving wood. We got it back to the church. I'll just walk down and show you where it is. We got the fruits down there. We got to ripen a little bit before we can eat them. So maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. But this is all the wood we moved today and really in the past 3 hours. Luckily we got a truck to bring it to us here, and we just had everybody kind of just taking it and going with it when we got here, so that made everything way more efficient. So yeah, and we might play volleyball or soccer or something, and we're gonna rest. Look at all those bananas, it's crazy. All right, this is the start of day 3. I know I'm wearing the same shirts, okay, I but they're different. That's what matters, right? They're clean.
He smells the same way he did.
Oh, I should probably put deodorant on. That's a good idea. But yeah, day 3, 4, 5, 6, I don't know. Last work day, we're gonna move some wood, and then who knows? But we're gonna go to San Juan
Tomorrow. Mañana.
tomorrow, and on a bus ride, 8 hours. That'll be fun. It's gonna be an adventure. I'm getting tired, but we're all good. We're gonna another day of hard work. All right. Alright, that's it. We'll leave tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Wake up for breakfast at 7. Take my last shower in the bathroom. So, we're gonna go to San Juan, the capital city, and stay there for a night in a hostel. I'm gonna leave up to Saturday at 1 p.m. So we'll get home St. Simon's at around 1 a.m. We got a long next few days, but at least we're not moving stuff, right? Sounds like they're having a blast down there. I'm gonna hit the hay and try to get some sleep. It's 10:30. It's probably the latest night I've had so far, but we don't have any expectations tomorrow, so it's all good. We're gonna be seeing some sightseeing, so it'll be fun. Do cool photos and videos from that. All right. Alright, so we're at the hostel, or hotel sort of thing. This is Andrew and I's room. We're sleeping in here. Bennett,
Yeah, do it.
it's like a common area, I guess.
Oh, we got movies, isn't it? If not, just you put a breaker.
Yeah, I don't know what I did. Yeah, playing movies right here. Mamma Mia. Incredibles. Yeah. Cool hotel. We got a porch too. There's a little restaurant. We'll probably eat there tonight. It's 6:30 and we haven't eaten since breakfast. So yeah, that's probably what we'll do. Alright.
My friend
minutes away from home. It is about 1:30 a.m. I've slept most of the way, of course. But yeah, this is an amazing trip. I'm super fortunate to have been able to be a part of it, and I want to thank all the leaders, David, Samantha, Kenneth, and Whitney. I mean, they're just brilliant and amazing, and Miner and Johnny, the guys that were local, really staying there and helping us, being our guides. They were amazing. But we got to help out a lot, and the community definitely made an impact on all of us. It was a fantastic trip, and it was something I am greatly appreciative of. All right, glad to be home.